Today we're visiting one of our students in Tilburg, as it is one of the good options to live when you're studying at BOAS. Hi, this is Mirza. If you want to find out about student housing in the Netherlands, follow me. Hi, can I have a tour?
Of course, come on in.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Emma.
And where you from?
I'm from Breda, that's a little city below Tilburg.
And today we are in...
Tilburg.
What's the price and the size of your room?
My room is about 30 square meters and I pay 271 euros per month.
Alright. And with how many people do you share this house?
We live here with 7 people and it's 4 guys and 3 girls.
Okay. And how long do you travel to Breda?
The bike ride from here to the station is about 5 minutes and the train is about 50 minutes, so I would say 20 minutes.
Total.
Yes.
Alright. And how did you get this room?
I saw an ad on Facebook, so I replied with a mail like, "Hi, I'm Emma," and they invited me here for an interview night with several other people, and they chose me. So lucky me.
That's nice. So what's the weirdest or most interesting thing you have in your room?
I think it's my ukulele. This one, right here.
Student housing in the Netherlands is not easy. If you want to find out how BOAS can help you, check the description down below. See you in the next room.